Good day, viewers. Thank you for joining us today. This is SAMIWAY Educational Consult, where we help students to achieve academic excellence in the academic pursuit. My name is Mr. Ola, and today I'll be teaching you mathematics. Now, I have a question written already on the board that I want us to solve together. Pay attention. Now, look at this. The question written on the board says square root 160 r squared plus root 71 r raised to power 4 plus root 100 r raised to power 8. Now, listen, how do we solve this? In learning mathematics, mathematics is systematic, meaning for you to solve mathematics, you need to follow step by step. Now, let's see the steps we need to take to solve this problem. Now, to solve this problem, we're going to start with the root inside. And the root inside contains 100r raised to power of 8. So let us start. In solving this, we have square root of 160 r power 2 plus root 71r power 4 plus. Now, let us find the square root of 100. The square root of 100 is what? 10. And the square root of r power 8, by the law of indices, root r power 8 can also be written as what? R power 8 multiplied by half. Why? Because the root in power form can be written as 1/2. Then half of 8 is what? 4. So that is why this will now be what? R raised to power of what? 4. Now, look at this. What is the next thing we need to do? If you look at the power of r here, it is r power 4. If you look at the power of r here, it is also power 4. We can simply add the coefficients of r power 4. Then that becomes what? Square root of 160r power 2 plus square root 81r power 4. Now, the reason we can add the coefficients of r power 4 is because we have the same variable r and they have the same power. That is where we can add. So what do? We do the next thing. We work on the root inside again. So this will now be what? Root 160 r power 2 plus the square root of 81 is what? 9. The square root of r power 4. The same thing is applicable. Half of 4 is what? R power 2. You can see that as we are taking each of the root, the power under each root is being reduced to the one that we consider next. So this will now be what? We can also add the coefficients of r power 2. Why? Because the variable we have here, they are the same variable and they have the same power. So this will now be what? 169 r raised to power 2. We put our roots there. Then finally, we can find the square root of 169, which is what? 13. Then half of 2 is what? 1. So therefore, the answer is 13r. I believe you enjoy our lesson for today. To see more of this, you can easily subscribe to all our social media platforms where you can see more of this video. Thank you. I wish to see you again.